Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 170 or Falsification of Legislative Documents. Falsification of Legislative Documents. Under Article 170, falsification of legislative documents is a crime committed by any person who, without proper authority therefore, alters any bill, resolution, or ordinance enacted or approved or pending approval by either House of Congress or any provincial board or municipal council. May 4 elements itong crime na ito. First, that there be a bill, resolution, or ordinance enacted or approved or pending approval by either House of Legislature or any provincial board or municipal council. So ito yung mga ginawa ng senador, congressman, sangguniang panlalawigan, sangguniang panglungsod o bayan. Second, that the offender alters the same. Third, that he has no proper authority therefore. Yung offender dito is any person, even a public officer, basta wala siyang authority to alter. Fourth, that the alteration has changed the meaning of the document. This article is limited only to alteration o baguhin yung meaning ng legislative document. There are 8 acts of falsification and alteration is one of 8. We will discuss the other acts of falsification in the next article. If the legislative document is falsified through the other acts of falsification, then Article 170 is not applicable. The act will be punished under Article 171 or 172 as the case may be. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.